Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Lalu Muhammad Zulkifli. I'm from C class. In this video, I will explain two lesson plans. The speaking lesson plan and the reading lesson plan. I will explain the aims, the activities, the timing, and the closing of both lessons. The first, I will explain my speaking lesson plan. The main aim of this lesson is to help students ask and answer questions about daily routines using the simple present tense. My personal aim is to see which student feel confident when speaking and which student feel shy. And the next part is anticipated problems. I expect two problems in this lesson. The first one is some students may feel shy or nervous when speaking. The second one is some students may forget how to the correct question form. And the solution is with pair work so students feel more comfortable. I also give examples and sentence starters to help them make question correctly. And there are some stage in my lesson plan. The first stage, the time is 5 minutes. Students work in pair. They write 3 questions about daily routines using question words like what, where, or when. The aim is to review question form and give students time to prepare. In the second stage, the time is 5 minutes. I show a short model conversation with one student. For example, I ask what the time do you go to school, and the student answers. This helps students understand how a natural conversation should sound. In the third stage takes 15 minutes. Students walk around the classroom and ask their question to 3 or 4 classmates. They also take short notes about the answer. The aim is to build confidence and encourage more interaction. And the last stage also takes 15 minutes. I chose 3 or 4 students to report what their partner said. For example, Dimas eats breakfast at 6 o'clock. The aim is to check student understanding and improve their speaking fluency. I think it's enough, and let's move on to the reading lesson plan. Now I will explain the reading lesson plan. The main aim is to help students understand a short text about daily activity. My personal aim is to see which student can read independently and which student need more support. And the next part is anticipated problems. Some students may read slowly and some may not understand all the vocabulary in the text. And the solution is I use the short text with the pictures. I also teach the important vocabulary before reading. And there are 4 stages. The first stage, the time is 5 minutes. I teach vocabulary such as wake up, breakfast, homework, and evening. I use the board and pictures to make the meaning clear. The aim is to prepare students so they can understand the text better. In the second stage, the time is 10 minutes. Students read the next silently. Students read the text silently. The underline the verb while reading. This helps them focus on the main ideas. In the third stage is 10 minutes. Students answer 5 comprehension questions about the text. Then they compare their answer with a partner. The aim is to improve students and reading for detail. And in the last stage takes 10 minutes. In the last stage also takes 10 minutes. I check the answer together with the class. I explain any mistake and clarify difficult words. This helps students understand the text better. To conclude my presentation, I think it's enough for speaking and reading lesson plans. To conclude my video, both the speaking and reading lesson plans are designed to help students understand and use English in simple daily situation. In the speaking lesson, students practice asking and answering questions so they can communicate more confidently. In the reading lesson, students learn how to understand a short text and find important information. Both lesson plans focus on building students' confidence, improving their skills step by step, and creating an active classroom environment. This lesson also help me as a teacher to see students' needs and support them better. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Lalu Muhammad Zulkifli. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.